Castillo. Huli. Good for 2-point. Morales. Time remaining 2. Stop. Corner. Shot clock down to 8. Shot clock down to 5 seconds. Morales. Good for 2-point. Basket count at may kasama pang foul. Bruce Barrett. Wearing jersey number 20. Kuyo first personal foul and first team foul. Bonus free throw dito para kay Mr. Morales. Time remaining 4 minutes and 34 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Good for 1 point, Morales. Back to Mr. Labotoy. Ang atake. Ang malaking mama. Kanya pa rin. Using the glass. 2 points. Dito kay Mr. Partosa. Partosa, bigay kay Mr. Rashid. Back to Partosa. Pull up. No good. Pull back Mr. Morales. Good for 2 points. Shot clock down to 12 seconds. Morales. Good for 2 points. Morales. Seconds. Shot clock down to 10. Laksamana, the big man. Shot clock 5. Good. Iwan ni Mr. Castillo. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. Morales, pull up. Good for 2 points. Morales. Morales, pasa dito. Still by Morales. Kapigat ang bola. Bola mapupunta sa team. Montes Kitchen. Final quarter. Orasyon ngayon. Official score, 51-48. Makmak. Binigay dito sa gitna kay Mr. Morales. Good for 2 points. Morales. Shot clock 8. Shot clock 5. Morales. Good for 3 points by Mr. Morales. Ito yung tingnan nito ni Mr. Tabigona. Last 1 minute. Morales. Good for 2 points. Last 7 seconds. Last 5. 3. Morales. Good for 2 points by Mr. Morales. Orasyon. Tinawag ang ating referee. Bruce Barrett. Wearing jersey number 1. Pushing foul. Valdez. Third personal foul. And first team foul.
Kung umabot ka na sa part ng video na ito, baka naman pwedeng pakisubscribe ang ating YouTube channel, Basketballers. At pakibisita na rin po ang aking Facebook page, Franz TV 2.0. Pakipollow na rin po mga idol. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.